Welcome to my channel. This is a switch replacement and repair demonstration for 4-gallon Shop Vac Model E87S450. I strongly recommend taking pictures in order to help ensure that the Shop Vac is repaired correctly. The problem was I was using my Shop Vac, and when I attempted to turn it off by pressing the off button, the switch stayed in the on position and would not turn off. The Shop Vac stayed on and worked just fine, but the only way I could turn it on or off was by plugging it in or out of the wall socket. What actually happened was the switch broke after years of use, and that is the reason why the Shop Vac was stuck in the on position and can only be turned off by unplugging the cord from the outlet. Simply, the broken switch needed to be replaced with a new one in order to repair the Shop Vac. Equipment list: a replacement switch, a flathead screwdriver, bent nose pliers, a black permanent marker, cable tags, and a pair of scissors. Before the switch can be replaced, the top of the Shop Vac power unit assembly needs to be removed as demonstrated in order to gain access to the switch. If you don't know how to get to this point, watch the video Disassemble Disassembly Demonstration for Shop Vac Model E87S450, which is on my channel, and the link is at the end of this video. Step 1. Remove the wing tip adapter from the switch. Step 2. Dislodge the switch from the power unit assembly with the flathead screwdriver. Step 3. Identify the terminal numbers on the side of the rocker switch and correctly label the wires with the cable tags. Step 4. Replace the broken switch. Select one of the terminals on the broken switch and remove the connector with the pliers. Now attach that exact same connector to the correct terminal on the new switch and continue to work on one terminal at a time until the new switch is connected. Step 5. Push the new switch into the power unit assembly and test it to make sure that it works. Step 6. Attach the wing tip adapter to the switch and then test it to make sure that it works. Step 7. Reassemble the Shop Vac. Final step 8. Test the Shop Vac. If you found this video informative or helpful, please show support for future demonstrations by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching.